Hi, this is a video on how to remove the LCD screen from a Nokia E72. Tools you need for this job are a T5 screwdriver and an opening tool. Right, so the first thing you want to do is remove the battery cover, remove the battery. If you've got a memory card or a SIM card in there, you might want to take those out. It's not vital, but just to be safe, on the safe side, take them out anyway. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is remove one screw here and one screw here. Right, there we go. So once you've removed both screws, you can get our opening tool and we're going to work it along the edge and around the bottom. So we just lift up this top piece. So once you've got it in there and got it up just a little bit like that, just start working it along the sides. Can be a bit tricky. There we go. So once you put it up all along the sides, it should just lift off like so. As you can see, we can now see the LCD screen. Up the top here we've got a ribbon which we just need to lift up. That's the LCD ribbon. Just lift it up like so, and if you just get your opening tool, get it in one of these corners, just prise it up like that. And there we go. You can see we've removed the LCD screen. So yeah, that is it. So if you want to put your new one in there, just pop it back in, clip the ribbon down at the top like so. Get your front back on, make sure you get the top in first. There's two little clips at the top there, you need to get them in. So make sure your keypad doesn't fall out like that. Just get them in the top. Like so. And just replace the two screws. There we go. Thanks for watching.